Alright guys, here's a little ending follow-up to our little blizzard problem, the blizzard of 2011. So I got the driveway cleared out, but give you an idea. My little helpers. Yeah. Can't even get to my front door. Hey, we're dug in pretty good. Still got a lot of work to do. Let's see if I can get over this side. Trampoline, anyone? Well, like I said, at least it stopped snowing, but the winds are supposed to kick up again tonight. Get up to about 45 degrees. And on top of it, we're supposed to drop down to 20 below. So you can imagine this is only going to get worse. But talking to you. Say hello to the world. Gonna run 13 Mrs. Junior. Alright guys. Well, this is a follow-up to our earlier blizzard, so at least we got the driveway done. And we'll talk to you later.